Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is another case unboxing and first impressions for the iPhone 15 Plus. And don't worry guys and gals, we are getting to the end of the accessories that I picked up and the accessories that I had lined up for the iPhone 15 Plus. So we will be diving back into the direct coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus real soon. I have this case and I have one more MagSafe accessory, and then I'm going to switch over to covering the direct stuff for the iPhone 15 Plus. But let's get into this. Another case for the iPhone 15 Plus, and in particular, this is the Caseology Parallax mag case for the iPhone 15 Plus, and this is actually available for the 15 Plus and the 15 Pro Max. Okay, and one of the things that I really piqued my attention about why I picked this case up, aside from the price, this is available at a really great price, is the color and the features. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all in a little bit here, but talking about the overall packaging and presentation, this looks really good. Now, I've covered other Caseology cases on the channel in the past. I really do like their packaging and presentation. Really good stuff here. Alright, and the best part is they got easy open packaging, so you just pull up this tab and it pops right open, and then we're in business. I can get in here and pull the case right out. Just like that. And then let me make sure there's nothing else in here. I think we're good. And put this off to the side. And let's take a look at the case. Let me get it out the plastic. Alright. Nice little thank you card. And I do believe this doubles as the warranty card as well. We'll check this out off camera. Yep, basic stuff. So, yep, basic stuff here. Put that off to the side. And let me get this out of here. And let's check this out. So, again, like I said, the design is what really drew me to this case, right? So it's supposed to give you really good grip around the sides. It has a really good overall look. And then it maintains that MagSafe capabilities, which is what I'm going for here. And as y'all can see, we do have our MagSafe magnets. And, ooh, yeah, really nice ridges around the side. Alright, let me rest this down. Let me grab my device. Let's see how she fits. And I got some accessories here I want to test. So, oh yeah, she drops right in. Snaps into place. Very, very nice. Now my desk is very dusty today. Been dusting stuff off all day. But very, very nice. Look at that. It looks very, very clean. I do like this texture, this engraved texture on the back. We do have a nice lip to protect the cameras. Really nice matte soft texture on the top. Again, matte soft texture on the bottom. A little bit of company branding right there. Really nice ridges around the side. Still got a nice clicky power button here. Really, really good stuff there. Nice cutouts for our mute slider. Very clicky volume rockers. Good stuff there. Nice lip to protect the display. Yeah, I like it a lot. Now, let's test out some of my MagSafe accessories here before we wrap this video up. So, here's the same three I tested from my last video. Power bank, kickstand, and then MagSafe phone stand. Let's test all of them. Alright, so we'll do the phone stand first. Oh, that locks right on. Oh, yeah. Rotate. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boom. Boom. Let me see how easy it is to come off. Okay. Not bad. You do need to apply some pressure. That's pretty good. You don't want it to come off super easy, but you don't really want to make it a struggle. Alright, up next. Kickstand. Find the spot. Boom. Got it right there. Open her up. So, landscape, no problems. Portrait mode, no problems. Okay, I like that. And then, how easy is it to come off? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. You definitely got to apply some pressure. Okay. And then last, but certainly not least, MagSafe power bank. Alright, right on. Lined up perfectly. Everything seems to be working. Oh yeah, nice and solid. Alright, so it does work with all of my favorite MagSafe accessories. Really, really nice there. Happy to see that. And it does give me a really nice overall look, which is what I was going for. Yeah. I'm really excited to test this out and see how it holds up. So I'm going to use this for about a week, and then I'm going to come back in the full review and let you guys and gals know if this is another case that's worth picking up for your iPhone 15 Plus. Okay? But with that being said, if this video piqued your interest and you'd like to know where you can pick up anything featured in today's video, all of the affiliate links, as always, will be located down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links to pick up any and everything featured in today's video, I do get a small % of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And also, as always, if you guys and gals would like to see any more coverage on the iPhone 15 Plus or any or all of my other favorite and recommended accessories for the iPhone 15 Plus, I'll link up my extended coverage down below as well. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. However, once again, I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the lighting. Alright? Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. Don't forget, if you guys and gals want to see more coverage like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it. And please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. This way, it lets YouTube know that you want to see more videos from me. Alright? Hope everyone is staying safe. Hope you guys and gals are having a good one. And I'll catch you guys and gals on the next one. We are out of here, everyone. Peace. Alright, and then with this last accessory I have coming in, that should make it so I'm good to go regardless of whatever I want to use on any one given day with my iPhone 15 Plus. Ooh-wee, I can't wait. One more accessory. Alright, have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.